Hi, my name is Rico Di Zorilla from BSI's Tribute. The Chaos of English Pronunciation by G. Nostrand. If you can pronounce correctly every word in this poem, you will be speaking English better than 19% of the native English speaker in the world. After trying the verse, a freshman said he'd prefer 6 months of hard labor to reading 6 lines aloud. There is creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse sound like corpse, hearse, and verse. I will keep you Susie busy, make you head with heat grow dizzy. Tear in eye, you dress will tear. So shall I, oh, hear my prayer. Just compare hurt, beard, and heard. Dice and diet, lord and word. Sword and sword, retain and retain. Mind the latter, how it's written. Now I surely will not plug you with such word as pluck and ague. But be careful how you speak. Say break and stick, but blake and strict. Clove of how and low. Script, receipt, show, poem, and to. Hear me say devoid of trickery, daughter, laughter, and terpsichore. Typhoid, missless, topsails, aceless. Excise, semilize, and revise, scholar, vicar, and kigar, solar, mika, war, and far. One, anemone, balmoral, kitchen, lichen, laundry. Wait surprise plate promise Paul Warminstorm chase cows cheer senator spectator mayor torbat R insecure for gas alas and arcanas C idea Korea area Baslam Maria bat malaria youth southern clean in clean doctrine torpidine marine compare alien with Italian Dandelion and Battalion, Sally with Ali, Ye, Yi, I, A, Way, and Ki. Say ever but ever, favor, nether, leisure, skin, deceiver. Heron, granary, canary, crevice and device and airy. Face but preface not a face. Pelm, phlegmatic as glass base. I base. Large but target gene give virgin out house and scourging. Ear but earn and wear and tear. Do not rhyme with hair but ear. 7 is right but so is even. Hyphen, riffin, nephew, Stephen, monkey, donkey, Turk and jerk. As graphs, was and cork and work. Pronunciation, think of the sight is a peeling, stout and spiky. Won't it make you lose your wits? Laurel, gratitude, German, wine and mind, sin, melpomin, mankind, belay, those not rhyme with ballet, bucket, wallet, mallet, collet, blood and flood are not like food, nor is mold like should and wold, viscous, viscount, load and broad, toward to forward to rewards, and your pronunciation okay. With your correctly say crockett. Rounded, wounded, grieve and sieve. Friend and fiend, alive and live. IB, privy, famous, clamor, and enamor, rhyme with hammer. River rival, Tom bomb comb. Dull and roll and some and homes. Stranger does not rhyme with anger, neither does devour with clangor. Souls but fall, hunt but on. Font front, one grand and grand. Shoes goes those not for say finger. And then singer, ginger, linger. Rating roads and saying grits. It's a dark abyss or tunnel strewn with stone. Solace, gunwale, is Slinton in Isle of Wight. Housewife, verdict, and indict. Finally, which rhyme with enough? Tow through, plow, or do, or cock. Haiku has the sound of cup. My advice is to give up. Real zeal, move, quiz, gauge, engage. Marriage, foliage, marriage, and age. Query does not rhyme with very, nor does fury sound like bury. Those laws pose in dote, cloth, load, job no, bosom, transom, oath. To the difference seem little we say actual but victual refer does not rhyme with differ. Fofer does in zipper, heifer, mint, pin, senate, and zendate. Dull, ball, and George, 8, late, Cynic, Arabic, Pacific, Science, Conscience, Scientific, Liberty, Library, Heave and Heaven. Rachel, Ash, Mustache, 11. We say hallowed but allowed. People, leopard, toad but vowed. Mark the difference moreover between mover, cover, clover, rich, breeches, wise, preaches, chalice, but police, and lies, camel, constable, unstable, principal, disciple, label, petal, panel, and canal. Ilang. Tapos.